I'm going to show you how to make your own gelatin dessert, how to make it simply and using much healthier ingredients. Here is an example of Jello brand gelatin dessert. The ingredients are highly questionable. I will insert some screenshots of, in this particular case, of the blue food dye. So to make your own gelatin dessert, all you need are really two ingredients. You need some kind of flavored liquid. In this video, I'm using some apple juice, and you just need gelatin, pure gelatin. So we're using apple juice. You can use any juice you want. I personally think that a strong flavored, dark, like mixed berry juice would probably be pretty good. Once you add your 1 cup of juice to the saucepan, go ahead and bring it to a boil. Once it starts to boil, you'll need to go ahead and turn the heat off. Now, add in 1 tablespoon of your gelatin into your hot juice, whisk it in well, and you will see in this video that I forgot to turn the heat off when I should have, but oh well, it just won't be as pretty. But like I said, turn the heat off. Once it starts to boil, whisk in your gelatin and whisk until it is well incorporated and the gelatin is dissolved. Next, you'll want to add in 1 cup of your cold juice. And whisk this together very well also. Now you'll want to pour this into a dish. I'm just using a glass rectangular dish, but you can use any dish you want, or if you want to use a gelatin mold for little fun shapes for your kids, go for it. And you can see this foam on top. This is because, again, I forgot to turn it off right as soon as it started boiling. Okay, so you'll want to place this in the fridge for 4 hours. Here is some gelatin I made a couple days ago. You can see it's all jiggly and nice and set. And here is the gelatin that we just made. You can see these little bubbles on top. Again, this is because I forgot to turn the heat off as soon as it started boiling. After I placed it in the fridge, I had to leave for a few hours. When I came back, my husband had already got into it. Thanks for watching.